Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and you're watching the Locker Gnome Daily Report, or TLDR for short. I'm live streaming every night on Twitch. Feel free to join me and the rest of the community over there. We're geeking out about one thing or another, and I know you've been waiting for this moment for years. It's finally arrived, and I have it in my hands. The hot chocolate Death Star dog toy that comes with hot chocolate dipped marshmallow stormtroopers that you can squeeze, and they squeak when you squeeze them. This is the wrong video. I apologize for that. I wasn't paying attention to the title there, but I guess we're talking about the unboxing of the Google Pastel 6 Pro. And the reason I wanted this is because, quite honestly, I was tired of using an Excel because the only thing it ran was spreadsheets, and it gets a little tiresome when it comes to a smartphone. I'm an amateur, and very proud to be an amateur. That said, I really wanted to up my pro game to the point where I knew that when I shot these videos and made a mistake, like, for example, if I said grame instead of game, I would actually come across as more professional because I'm holding on to a pro device. That's how you know it's good, when they call it pro. This is in the box at the moment. I will lift the pull tab, unless it's a push tab. Hang on. There's really no direction on the tab. Yeah, it is a pull tab. Okay, that was intuitive. Yeah, you don't want to push that tab. Nothing will happen. You do have to pull it. We're going to go ahead and see if we get a good box fart. Check out the frame rate of this drop here. If it's kind of feeling shy, it may need something else, like a like or a comment or a subscribe or something. Did I not pull the other tab? That's why it was shy. I told you, I'm more professional this way. It fell out just fine. No box fart, so it scores an absolute 0 on the fart score scale. I'm making that up, of course. There is no fart scale score that I know of. We have another tab, which I would assume you stick your finger in. You do not likely want to stick your thumb in. It was definitely designed for the finger, something that you have to take note of. If you do stick your thumb in, something may happen. It may actually get, sliced. But, you could probably lift it this way or this way if you're so inclined. Or, if you really want to break the rules, just do that. And the rest just kind of falls out. So the device is in my hands here, but the first thing I wanted to do with it, before I continue with the unboxing and get to all the accessories, these wonderful accessories, I wanted to do a drop test that a lot of people love to do. So let's go ahead and do a drop test here. Well, it was fast, undamaged. Let's go ahead and put some force behind it. Wow! Not even a dent or a scratch. Yeah, the unboxing videos that you've probably seen are nothing like the ones that I do. I don't know if I've seen anybody do a drop test specifically on the box, but that's important, especially when it comes to shipping your device from point A to point B. Now, to continue with the rest of what was in the box, we have an adapter, just in case you have a problem adapting to a different environment. You could easily just, kind of stick this in your ear, and yeah, I'm feeling it. This is good. Yeah, I feel like I've adapted already. That was pretty fast. Okay. We also have a cable with USB-C on both ends. So all you have to have is an open USB-C port somewhere, and that would likely be with the adapter that... Well, how am I supposed to plug this in? Like, I got the phone, I got the cable, but what do I plug it into? I mean, it's not like I have thousands upon thousands upon thousands of AC adapters laying around here. I mean, come on, really? Okay, well, I guess I'll never charge it. So hopefully the battery life on I should be very careful about talking about battery life. The batteries can be a little sensitive when it comes to talking about their life. So let's just be a little encouraging. I think the battery life is going to be great, honestly. So here we have the device. I do love the fact that the cutout here... No, this isn't a cutout. This is a protrusion on the back with all the cameras in here. I love the fact that honestly, I'm just going to be honest with you, because most people, when they do unboxings, they'll say, I'm going to be honest, but then they're not, right? They're not honest about it. But I'm going to be honest with you. I like the fact that it's even, so that when you lay it on the desk, for real this time, like, look, it doesn't necessarily rock. That was actually pretty smart. So that's the back of the phone that probably 2 people care about. I won't necessarily be looking at the back of the phone because I've got my case around here somewhere. Where did I put my case? No, seriously, I don't know. I had the case here. I showed it in the live stream the other day on Twitch. Okay, I can't find it. Well, either way, that's the back of the phone. It's got a G in the middle of it. And it's monochromatic. Unlike the rest of the Pastel 6 Pro. That, you know, they have this thing called Material U, which isn't really U if you don't like pastel colors. Like, as long as you love pastel, then it's definitely Material U. But it's not really Material Me, because I'm not into pastel colors at all. But the Pastel 6 Pro pretty much only comes with pastel colors, apart from the outside. The outside you can get monochromatic. But the software itself, the thing that really makes the Pixel, and has made the Pixel stand apart from the rest, you're pretty much forced to use a pastel color, even when you choose a wallpaper that's monochromatic. But anyway, that's the back of the Pastel 6 Pro. The front is completely white. Like, completely, utterly white. That's it. That's what you get out of the box. It's not really responsive, this screen. I suppose I'll get used to using it. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and set the phone to the side for a second to see. I got to read the directions here. Because I don't know how to use that screen. And I'm hoping it's going to be... Oh, wait. These are safety, warranty, and regulatory guides. Do not switch your default search engine to DuckDuckGo, or you will take down the entire internet. Wow. Am I the only one who reads these things? Oh, look at that! We have a poker thing that you should not stick into a microphone hole. Seriously, for a second, do not stick this into a microphone hole, which some people who shall remain nameless may have done before with certain other devices. Okay, so let's see here. The directions. You don't need that. Set up your new phone. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. There's only 2 buttons here. Sorry about that. I pressed the volume down button. It obviously didn't work, and I still can't figure out what's going on with the screen here, because it's not even doing anything. I'm gonna hold the... Oh, it vibrated! It was like that, you know. Whoa! I can see the words Google in there. I don't know. Are you supposed to look at it this way? No, it doesn't. I'm seeing light bleed from... Yeah, there's definitely some light bleed around the edges. I know people complain about that with screens all the time. But, yeah, I mean, it seems to be fully operational. I don't know. Oh, wow, look at that. In case you wanted to keep a copy of your fingerprints, the back loves them. I'm going to take a closer look at these lenses just to see if they're better than mine. No, I can't see anything out of these. Nope. Nothing. Yeah, these lenses aren't as good as this one. I mean, are these. The frame is holding my lenses, but that remains to be seen. This thing continues to vibrate. There's the finger port! Oh, I forgot about the finger port. It's continuing to vibrate. It's got like a heartbeat, which is a little creepy, if you ask me. But it's just letting me know that it's on, apparently. And look at that! The pastels have begun! With the Pastel 6 Pro. I'll be giving my first impressions live on YouTube tomorrow morning, as I do every Saturday morning on YouTube, eating my Saturday morning cereal, geeking out with you here. And of course, every night on Twitch, I am live with the rest of the community. Feel free to join me there, and the rest of the community there as well. We're on Twitch! That's where it's happening. That's where it's at. It's so much fun every night. So much more fun than these fun boxing videos that I do. And then, of course, tomorrow as well on Twitch, we're giving away a Prusa Mini Plus, a 3D printer, one of the better ones that I know of out there, especially for people who are not into 3D printing at all. Sorry, my nose hairs are getting long, and Movember is right around the corner, so I'm like, what's going on with my nose hair? Just calm down. Calm down! I'm talking to my nose hair. I don't know if I'm the only person to do that. I need to finish this video. Now I'm talking to my hand. Now I'm talking to you again. So we're giving stuff away. We've been giving stuff away all week over on Twitch. I'll be giving first impressions soon, things I like, things I hate, an ultimate review, camera comparisons with contemporary other devices, or contemporary devices in its class. It's supposedly a flagship, but it doesn't really feel or look like a flag, and I would never set sail on this, but I guess it is what it is. And this was exactly what it was.